has just been like I think it was maybe 9 days of grit 1. This has so much quartz in it, I think it'll be good to polish up because all these big chunks will get shiny and it'll look cool. This one got pretty beat up. The rocks are a lot of different sizes. I think that's part of it. I've never tried to polish, I think this is Gogandotillite, but I just thought I'd throw one in and see. Boy, did that pudding get smaller. And so did this one. Wow, it's almost gone. I think I put these on stage 1 too long. I think that 8 or 9 days was too long. A lot of these rocks are a lot smaller. That's a cool linear line right through that. Hey, that's how you learn. I don't even know what that one was. I think it was a lightning stone at one point. I've never put one of those in the tumbler. I was just curious.